The 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, universal garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.